Hey everybody, this is Amber Bailey, and I am the creator or owner or whatever you want to say of Fit Revival, and I'm so excited because this is the biggest Eat Clean, Train Mean group that we've had so far, and so I'm just excited about the enthusiasm here, and I'm glad that you've all decided to eat clean and train mean with us for the next 5 days. If you'll notice, there is a file right here on our page. So if you go up and you click on file, you'll see a start here button. You'll see some breakfast ideas and you'll see the meal plan. And the reason the breakfast ideas are separate from the meal plan is because Shakeology is the first thing that you see every day as breakfast. So I know not all of you are drinking Shakeology, and that is fine for the purposes of this group. So I wanted to make sure you had a default measure there and some ideas for what you could be eating for breakfast if you're not drinking Shakeology. So there's that piece. Hopefully you have read the introduction and what we are all committing to here, and so I'm excited just to have your accountability. I know that after the 4th of July weekend, I know I definitely need to step back into things and tighten the reins a bit. So I do want to tell you that I will be following this meal plan loosely because I'm starting a new program called PIO, and it does have a nutrition guide that goes along with it. So I'm going to be using some of the recipes. I've done this particular meal plan that y'all are using many times. So I'm going to be using some of the lunches and dinners and following along with you and eating clean with you. But my exact breakfast and my exact lunch may not be the exact same as yours. So, but it's very important that you use this how you need to use it. So, you can use it loosely, you can use it very strictly and go exactly from it and eat exactly what it says for breakfast, snacks, lunches, and dinners. Workouts, you can do whatever you want as long as you're moving for 30 minutes a day. That's 2% of your day, so there's really no excuses at all. The biggest thing that you can do is plan your meals and plan when and where you will work out. My meal planner looks like this, and so some of the meals that you see that are on our meal plan I've already kind of loaded those into my thing for the week, and I'm going to go grocery shopping. I've got my list here on the side, so I know exactly what it is that I need to get when I go to the store, and I'm not going to deviate from that. The key is having a plan, so make sure that, and I know for me, here's a tip for you. I shop for the first 3.5 days because life happens, you end up going out to eat, you have a change and you have to tweak things. So instead of having groceries for the whole week go bad if you don't use them, I shop for the first 3.5 days, and then if you need to go back to the store in the middle of the week for the last part of the week, you can. That tends to save a little money. The other thing I do is cook more for dinner so that you can use it for lunch, and so that's kind of where you'll see me deviate from the meal plan that you have there for you in the files. So use that meal plan how you need to. We're going to focus on eating clean. That means whole foods, get rid of the processed stuff, and really just concentrate on food the way God made it. And that is the primary focus of this group, is quality food, not necessarily quantity. Okay, so the other thing that I wrote for you guys is that I really think that you should always have something that you're reading, and then you're like, what? I got into this for fitness purposes, so why is she asking me to read something? You always need something to be filling your cup. No matter where you're at in your journey, whether you're just starting or maybe you've been doing this for a while, you should choose something that helps you with the season that you're in. I'm currently reading a book called Start by Jon Acuff. It's amazing. So if you're looking for a suggestion, I've read quite a few now, and reading and really working on myself has been a major game changer in my whole journey. So I hope that you will follow along with this and choose something to read and let yourself do that for 10 minutes a day, or read 10 pages or a chapter, or whatever it is. You can do something that's faith-based, maybe business-based, maybe just personal. I just ordered a book called It Starts With Food. So I'm excited for that to come in. It should be here tomorrow, hopefully. So whatever it is, I hope that you'll share it with us. The purpose of this page is for you guys to share and be open and honest. So the very first thing that I want us to do today is just to get to know each other a little bit. So there's a t-shirt up for grabs. So I know all of you we have met via this Fit Revival page that I run. So I would like to give away a t-shirt, and I'll give it away to one person who posts their story today. And by story, I mean, who are you? Where are you from? What are you struggling with right now? What's going well for you right now? What do you hope to get out of this group? So those are some things that you can share with us, and I'll post a link to my story so you can read it. But I don't want to talk too long here. So yeah, so I'll pick one person who shared about themselves, and tomorrow I look forward to getting started with you guys. I can't stress enough how important it is for you to have a plan. Oh, and the workouts. I know I mentioned that, but on the workouts, there are some workouts saved in here for you. So if you don't know what to do those, because they're great workouts, and you will be sweaty. And so as long as you're moving, like I said, for 30 minutes a day, that is the goal. Any questions or anything at all, anything that you need help with, use this group to post, and we'll all work together to answer each other's questions. And I wish you all the best of luck, and I look forward to getting to know all of you throughout the week.